In the last video, I covered the first section of the expert dashboard, wherein I covered the home section, chat section, and the view booking section, the link of which I will be putting down in the description below. In this particular video, I will be covering the mid section of the expert dashboard. So let's start with the first tab, which is the listings tab. Coming to the listings tab, the expert will be able to post a listing for himself. Posting a listing is very important for the expert for us to give any sorts of consultations or give any service on the platform. So it is like listing down the service that I want to give in this particular platform. All I have to do is click on post a new listing. There will be a series of categories that will be available. Once I click on the categories, I will be prompted to add some details, and that's how my listings will be posted. I can choose to have one listing, or I can choose to have multiple listings depending on the services that I would like to give on the platform. So for one listing, in one listing I could be giving one-to-one consultation. In another listing, I could be giving another service that I want to give. So this is how listings are created. Next we have my sessions. So sessions are just similar, or it is another word for group sessions, wherein as an expert, if I want to conduct a webinar, I want to have a group session for my users, I can simply come to my sessions and click on new sessions. Just like listings, once I click on add a new session, I will be prompted to add the category of the session that I want to list under, and once I click on the category, I'll be able to create a session for my users. All the sessions that I have been listing, whether those are upcoming sessions or any past sessions, all these will be listed under the sessions tab. As you can see, these are the sessions I have previously created, and they have a tag of past associated with these sessions, which means these are the sessions I have conducted in the past. Next, we come to my courses. This is another way of giving services on the platform. As an expert, I can choose to add some courses on the platform. All I have to do is click on add a course, click on the category I want to list the course under, and there are few details that I would want to fill in. Once these details are filled in, a course will be created, and I can add as many lessons as I would want in this course. So apart from the lessons, I can choose to have video resources in the course, or I can choose to have text resources for the course. Apart from that, I also have the option to give a certification at the end of the course to my users. So all these features are available in the courses option. There's another video that we have made which is purely dedicated to courses. So in case you want to have a better idea of what courses are, you can go through that video also. In the next option, which is course enrollers, I can see all the list of users who have enrolled to my course. Since this is a demo account and and I do not have an active course, and hence this window is empty, or else there would have been details like the course name, enrolled by which user, enrolled on the date, how much percentage of the course has been completed by the user or by the student, and the course amount. Courses could be free or could be paid. Totally depends on the expert's choice. Here is the posts option. So post is just like news feed that we see on the social media platforms. As an expert, I can create a new post, and all these posts will be visible to the users. So post is a great way to engage with the customers, or it is a great way of promoting promoting me as an expert to the users. So the users can take consultation from me, or they would prefer me in place of the other experts that are available on the platform. So I can put in some text here. I can choose to add photos. I can choose to add videos. and simply click on post. So that is all about the second section of the expert dashboard. Uh, I will be doing another video which will be the last video of the expert dashboard, and it will cover the account and the manage section. So stay tuned for the final video. Thank you.